Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay. Already I told you yesterday that we are going to start the fast drive. So who has missed the online classes previously? So now for first 3 days we are going to tell you the basics. Then afterwards we are going to continue our content books regularly. Right children? Yes, we are the class now. Class 1 and our subject is EVS. Yes. Okay. Now, yesterday we have discussed about some of the animal names, all these things. Right now, I am going to ask you mostly about parts of our body, which already you know. So that I want to know whether you have learned it properly or not. So, first, what today's topic? Parts of our body. Parts of our body. Parts of our body. Yes. Now everyone has to tell me one body part, right? Okay. You should tell me the body part name. If you know the spelling, you can tell me the spelling so that I can write on the board and I can tell you the remaining ones. Yes. I hope everyone has understood, children. First, we are going to start with Lalita. Lalita, unmute Nana.
Body part.
Yes, Lalita, you can tell me any one body part. Any one body part.
Ears, eyes, neck.
No, you should not tell all the things, sir. I'm asking only the one. So tell me one. First,
Okay, ma'am.
okay.
Neck.
Neck. Do you know the spelling?
N-E-C-K.
Yes, very good. N-E-C-K, neck. She told the correct answer. Next, will you tell me one more organ name or body part?
Animal. Animal body part, ma'am.
No. Our body parts. Already I told parts of our body. మన body మీద ఏ body parts ఉన్నా అది చెప్పు. What you can see that?
Nose.
Nose.
N-O-S-E, nose.
N-O-S-E, nose.
Ears.
Ears. Yes, good. Okay. Nice. Now I will talk with Pujita. Okay, unmute Pujita. Yes. Tell me some body parts.
Ears.
Ears already completed. Next one.
Eyes.
Eyes. Will you tell me the spelling of eyes?
E-Y-E-S.
Yes, E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Good. One more body part name.
Tongue.
Tongue. Spelling.
T.
No. T not. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. What is the spelling? Pujita? T-O-N.
G-U-E.
Yes. What we call?
Tongue.
Good. Very good, Pujita. Next. Lakshmidhar, unmute. Lakshmidhar, unmute. Will you tell me any one body part name?
Neck.
Body part. Spelling.
Nose.
Nose.
Mouth.
Mouth.
Tongue.
Tongue.
Teeth.
Teeth. Okay.
No. Here.
Ears completed.
Chin.
Huh? Chin. Okay. Again, I will ask you. Wait a minute.
Face.
Okay. I will ask you. Wait. Face. I am writing face also. Next. Yes, one new boy has joined in our class. Unmute Nana, Sai Manokya. Vasvik. The boy name is Vasvik. Vasvik only? Vasvik ki katana ni peru? Say yes or no. Say hi everyone to Vasvik. Say hi. Pujita, say hi to Vasvik. Lalita. Next, Neeraj, Bharatwaj, Lakshmidhar. Everyone say hi to Vasvik. Your new friend. Vasvik, sit properly, Nana. Say hi, you also. Hi. Will you tell your name? What is your name? Nini name Anana. Okasari page. Just tell your name.
Lakshman.
Lakshman. Lakshman, you should tell me your long name. Yesterday you came to the school, right? Lakshman?
Yes.
Okay. We will call you as a Lakshman. Right. Say your friend Lakshman hi everyone. Good? Yes, will you tell me one body part name? నీ బాడీ మీద ఏమేం పార్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయో ఒకసారి చూసుకొని ఏది కనిపిస్తుంది చెప్పు.
Hand.
Hand. Will you tell me the spelling వచ్చా? No, I am writing. Hand. Hand. One more. Think about one more. ఇంకొక బాడీ పార్ట్ నేమ్ చెప్పు.
Leg.
Legs. Good. See how our Lakshman is also telling very nicely. Good. I am giving claps for you. First day you told the correct answer. So everyone clap for Lakshman Nana. Neeraj, Pujita, Lalita, Lakshmidhar. Yes, because today is the first class for him, but he told the correct answer. So I am wishing him all the best. Right. Good. Next, Neeraj, unmute. Yeah, Nana, Neeraj, unmute. Tell me some body parts names.
Head.
Head అయిపోయింది కదా ఇక్కడ రాసేసాను ఏంటంటే ఇంకా think search your body what you can see. What we call this one? Already I told you in the starting of the lesson in previous. Huh?
Shoulder, teacher.
Shoulder. Good. Shoulder. One more will you tell? One more body part name. Okay. On the legs, what you can see?
Eyes.
Huh?
Eyes, teacher.
Face you can see eyes. Legs. Knees are there. మోకాళ్ళు అంటాం కదా మోకాళ్ళు ఏమంటాం మనం knees అంటాం. Yes, knees. Knees. What we call this one?
Elbow.
Yes, good. Elbow. Yes, very good, Neeraj. Next, Bharatwaj. Sriman, unmute. Fast, Nana. Time is getting over. Bharatwaj. Okay. I am going to leave you. Fine. Next, Pujita. Will you tell me some other names? How many sense organs we have? How many sense organs do we have?
Yes, teacher.
మనకి ఎన్ని సెన్స్ ఆర్గన్స్ ఉన్నాయి మనం చాలా రోజులు చెప్పుకున్నాం ఆ లెసన్ ఆ నీరజ్ చెప్పినానా
Five.
5. Good answer. Yes, Neeraj, how many sense organs we have?
5, teacher.
Will you tell the names?
Eyes,
Yes, eyes,
nose,
nose,
ears,
ears.
eyes,
Ears after?
eyes, tongue,
Tongue.
head,
No. What is this one?
skin,
Yes, good. 5 sense organs you told correctly, Neeraj. Very good. I'm giving a star for you. Good. Next, Pujita.
yes, ma'am.
Eyes are useful for? Eyes are used for?
See, ma'am. See, teacher.
To see. Good. Eyes are useful for? See. Next, Pujita, nose. Why do you use nose?
Smell.
To smell. Good. Lalita, unmute Nana. Why do you use ears?
Sound.
No, wait, Pujita. Ears, why do you use ears?
Sound,
Ears.
ma'am.
Huh?
Sound.
Sound, or you can say to listen or to hear. What we have to write? To hear. To hear sounds. I am writing sounds also. But you should tell first of all to hear. Next, tongue. Who want to tell the answer for tongue? Now I will ask.
Taste.
Taste. Okay, I will ask first. Lakshmidhar, wait. Unmute Nana, Lakshmidhar. Hey, Pujita.
Taste.
teacher.
Taste, teacher.
Taste. Good. To taste.
Yes,
Taste, teacher.
Yes, you told correct answer. I have to taste. Good. What about the skin? What is the use of the skin? Okay, I will tell you. Why we are using our skin? Okay. Now, if you touch ice cream, what you feel? It is cool or hot? Ice cream touch చేస్తే వేడిగా ఉంటుందా చల్లగా ఉంటుందా
చల్లగా
చల్లగా ఉంటుంది
Cool.
చల్లగా ఉంటుంది ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది
కూల్
Cool teacher.
కూల్ టీచర్
కూల్ దెన్ హూ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ టు టెల్ us ఎవరు చెప్తున్నారు అది కూల్ గా ఉందని
స్కిన్
స్కిన్ చెప్తుంది సో స్కిన్ ఏం చేయాలి
Skin.
టచ్
Skin.
skin to touch yes most of you have told correctly right fine now everyone has understood what are the body parts so now you should tell me one by one you should show your hand legs face everything and you should tell your body parts directly right first of all I will ask Neeraj then afterwards I will continue with everyone right Neeraj once stand up will you stand up once ఏనన్నా నిల్చో ఒకసారి ఏం కాదు నేను ఏమనను నీరజ్ అన్మ్యూట్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేయి నేను చెప్తా yes now tell about your body parts touch చేయి ears nose అలా చెప్పు అర్థమైందా నేను చెప్పింది ఓకే ఫస్ట్ నేను చెప్తాను మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది ఓకే now I will tell you first of all look at everyone with me right look at me yes this is my face okay this is my head right this is my hair ears eyes nose tongue mouth teeth like that you should say clear అర్థమైందా నాన్న నీరజ్ will you tell now okay yes speak up
ఐస్
you should show నువ్వు చూపించాలి yes like this eyes
ఐస్
eyes
నోస్ ఇయర్స్ నోస్
nose What is this one? Mouth.
Mouth.
What is this one? White color part is there in your mouth. What is that?
Teeth.
Teeth. What is this one?
Tongue.
Tongue. What we call these?
Hands.
Hands. What we call these?
Fingers.
Fingers. Good. Okay. I will ask you the questions like this. Wait. Now, Sai Lalita. Unmute. Okay. What we call this one?
Six.
Six. What we call this one? Chin. What we call this one?
Chin.
Chin. What we call this one?
Mouth.
No, no, mouth is correct. I am showing one particular part. This one. Lips. What is this one?
Teeth.
Teeth. What is this one?
Eyes.
What is this one?
Mouth.
What this one? This one. This is not mouth.
Nose.
Nose. Yes. What we call this one? Forehead.
Don't know.
Forehead. Okay. What we call this one? ఏమంటాం ఫింగర్స్ కి ఏమున్నాయి నీకు
Gold.
వాట్ నేమ్ అనాలి nails. What we call
Nails.
nails. Good. Very good. Fine. Nice. Now I'll talk with Pujita.
Ear.
Yes. Yes. Speak out. Unmute చేయనా చెప్పు.
Ear.
Yes. ఇంకా
Head.
head.
Hair.
hair. Good.
Face.
face. Good.
Legs. Shoulder.
shoulder. Good.
Hands.
hands.
Fingers.
fingers.
Teeth.
teeth.
Mouth.
mouth.
Skin.
skin. Good. Most of you have told it. Anni body parts చెప్పా maximum. Right. Now Pujita will tell us. Pujita unmute చేయనా? Yeah.
Yes,
ఇప్పుడు
ma'am.
చెప్పు.
Legs.
Legs. Okay.
Skin.
Skin. Okay.
Chin.
Chin. Where is the chin? Show me. Chin. Next. Cheeks.
Teeth.
Teeth.
Mouth.
Mouth. Good.
Tongue.
Tongue.
Eyes.
Eyes.
Nose.
Nose.
Ears.
Ears.
Hair.
Hair.
Foreheads.
Foreheads. Forehead. Head. Forehead.
Forehead.
Okay.
Hands.
Hands. Good. What is this one? ఏమంటాం దీన్ని పూజిత వెళ్తాం సాయి లలిత వెళ్తాయి what we call this one
Neck.
yes neck what is the answer పూజిత
Neck.
neck ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయా
No, ma'am.
okay fine now I will ask our Lakshman will you tell me some body parts names unmute ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు yeah eyes ears whatever you see you can tell me
Eyes.
eyes
Mouth.
mouth
Ears.
ears
Nose.
nose
Hair.
hair
Neck.
head
Shoulders.
shoulders Next Inka. What we call?
Head.
What we call this one?
Yes.
Fingers. Yes, good. What we call this one? Forehead.
Shoulder.
What we call this one? What we call this one? Face.
Face.
Face. What we call this one? Total. Head.
Head.
What we call this one? Nakesh na mummy ke karna hai usi karna bolti.
Hair.
Hair. What is this one?
Neck.
Neck. What is this one?
Shoulders.
Shoulders. What we call this one?
Hand.
What we
Hand.
call this one?
Mochi.
Moche. Evantam. Elbow. What we call? Elbow. Good. Very good. Very good. I will star for you. I am giving star for Lakshman. Good. For Pujita, Neeraj, Lalita. For everyone I have given star. Most of you have told. Right. Okay. You have told the sense organs. What is the use also you have told me. Manaki enni sense organs unnai nana mottham? 5 sense organs unnai. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and the skin. And uses also we have learned to see, to hear, to touch, to taste and what we call to smell. These are the things. Now I am going to ask Lakshmi girl to tell the body parts names. Lakshmi girl, unmute. Where you went again?
Minute.
No, Lakshmi girl.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me some body parts names, whatever you have.
Nose.
Nose,
Eyes.
eyes,
No. Ears.
ears, good.
Mouth.
Mouth,
Teeth.
teeth,
Tongue.
tongue,
Any
Hand.
hand,
Head.
hair.
Hair.
Hair, correct answer.
Neck.
Neck,
Chin.
chin,
Hands.
hands,
Fingers.
fingers,
Neck.
neck completed, okay. Legs,
Legs.
legs, shoulders,
Stomach.
stomach,
అవే చెప్పాలి.
okay, good. For Lakshmi then I am giving a star. He also told the correct answers of body parts, right. Only now Sriman is reminding Sriman. Sriman, are you there? And this Lakshmi there, one more Lakshmi there is unmute. Yes, Nana, unmute your video as well as audio also. Just if you want, unmute your voice and tell me. Parts of our body. Yeah, tell me the parts of the body. Are you there, Lakshmi there? P. Lakshmi there. Otherwise, I will stop it. Okay. I I'm not going to ask you again. Fine now. Now everyone has told me about the parts of our body, right? Now will you tell me some of the fruits names? Yesterday we talked about animals, so everyone has to tell me two fruits names. Okay, good. We will start the fruits. Yes, first who want to tell the fruit name? Who want to tell? They can raise the hand, then afterwards I will ask. I am giving the chance. Yes, Pujita raise your hand. Unmute Pujita.
Apple.
Apple spelling?
Apple.
Yes. Apple, apple. Will you tell me one more fruit name? Huh?
Banana.
Spelling?
Banana. Banana.
Good. Banana. 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 Good answer. Next, who want to tell? Pujita raise your hand. Completed. And next, Sai Lalita raise your hand. Good. Unmute Sai Lalita.
Orange.
Orange. Spelling Nana?
Orange.
Orange.
Mango.
Mango. Yes, MAN.
Mango.
Yes, mango. MANGO. Mango.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Okay. WATER. Watermelon. MELON. Melon. Watermelon.
Papaya.
Papaya. You want to tell one more? Papaya. 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 Okay, good. Wait a minute. I will ask the remaining, then I will talk to you. Okay? Now, Lakshmi Dhar, unmute. Fast, Nana, you only. Lakshmi Dhar, unmute.
మేడం
Apple.
already చెప్పారు.
Apple.
అక్కడ ఉన్నాయి చెప్పు. అది వేరే చెప్పు. వేరే గ్రేప్స్. కివి.
Kiwi. Do you know the spelling of kiwi? Okay, I'm ready. KIWI, kiwi.
కేక్. చెప్పు వేరే ఫ్రూట్స్.
Next. Grapes. Okay.
Green apple. Green apple.
Pineapple. Okay. PINE.
Pineapple.
1 minute. Yeah. Now tell me.
Custard apple.
Custard apple. Okay. CUSTARD. Custard apple. APPLE apple. Custard apple. Good. You told the almost 4 names of the fruits. Again, I will talk to you. I'm going to the Neeraj. Neeraj, unmute. Yeah, no, Neeraj. Tell me any 2 names of the fruits.
Pumpkin.
Nana?
Pumpkin teacher.
Pumpkin.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Pumpkin, we can write it. Pumpkin. Okay, next.
Mango.
Mango completed. 1 more. Fruits names. Fruits.
Guava.
Yes, guava. GUAVA, guava. Good. You told the 2 fruits names. Again, I will speak to you. Next, Lakshman, unmute, Nana. Yes. Now tell me any 2 fruits names. Lakshman, fast. Unmute. Unmute Chayalama.
Apple.
Apple. Okay.
Apple.
Okay,
Banana.
apple is the correct answer. Next.
Banana.
Banana, good. Inka.
Grapes.
Grapes, okay.
Watermelon.
Watermelon, okay. Different, all these those names already on the board. Adi kaakunda inka unna fruits names cheppu.
Cherries.
Cherry, okay. Cherry is the correct answer. CHE order by cherry. Okay, next. Good. Very nice. Most of you have told it. Yes, Pujita, you raised your hand. Tell me, what is the fruit name? మళ్ళీ అన్మ్యూట్ చేయమంటే మ్యూట్ చేసింది. అన్మ్యూట్ చేయి నాన్న.
Cherry.
చెర్రీ ఆల్రెడీ మీ టోల్డ్ నా లక్ష్మణ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకేమైనా గుర్తొచ్చాయా ఫ్రూట్స్ నేమ్స్?
Apple.
Custard apple also completed. Lakshmi that told.
Strawberry.
Huh?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. I will write on the board. Yes, Sayalta, unmute. Strawberry. Pujita has told. I am writing. Strawberry.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Good. Good. I will write on the board. Wait.
Pomegranate.
Good. Good. Pujita, you told correct only. Sayalta, unmute cheyna. Hand raise chesavu kada. Is there any fruits?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Okay. Next.
Kiwi.
Kiwi also told. Okay. Good. Okay. You told correctly. Yes.
Cherry.
Cherry also completed. Good. Yes. Now today we have discussed about parts of our body. Most of you have told everyone parts of the body, as well as today we have learned about the fruits name. Most of you have told the fruits names, but you did not learn the spelling. So today I request all of you to practice the spelling. I hope yesterday also most of you have written the names of the fruits and vegetables, right? Okay. So today I am going to give you the homework regarding parts of our body. Try to complete the worksheet, children, and send it back by the class. Okay, children. Bye. We will meet in the next class for tomorrow's basic class. Yes. Bye. See you.